Are you ready to uncork the delicious world of wine? This guide will take you on a journey through the basics of viticulture, from grape varieties and regions to types of wine and food pairing. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a wine pro. Wine 101. Your guide to the delicious world of viticulture. Imagine a world where every sip of wine is a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told. Imagine a world where every bottle is a reflection of the land and the people who made it. Well, that world exists, and I'm here to take you on a journey to discover it. When it comes to wine, it all starts with the grape. Different grapes result in different types of wine, and the grape variety, as well as the climate and soil in which it's grown, greatly impacts the final taste and quality of the wine. The most common grape varieties used for wine production include Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Merlot, and Pinot Noir. Here's a fun fact: did you know that there are over 10,000 grape varieties in the world? Now let's talk about the different types of wine. The most common categories include red, white, rose, and sparkling. Red wine is made from red grapes and typically has a higher tannin content, giving it a bolder, more full-bodied flavor. White wine is made from white grapes and tends to be lighter and more delicate in taste. Rose wine is a mix of red and white grapes, resulting in a pinkish color and a lighter flavor than red wine. Sparkling wine, such as champagne, is carbonated and is typically enjoyed as a celebratory drink. When it comes to pairing wine with food, there are a few general guidelines to keep in mind. White wine is often paired with seafood, chicken, and lighter fare, while red wine is typically enjoyed with red meat and hearty dishes. But ultimately, the most important rule is to drink what you like and what you think pairs well with the meal. Here's a pro tip: acidic wine goes well with acidic food, and sweet wine pairs well with sweet food. Virtual wine tasting is a way for wine enthusiasts to taste and learn about different wines without having to physically be in the same location as the wine or the other participants. This can be done through online video conferencing platforms, where a wine expert or sommelier will guide participants through the process of tasting different wines, discussing the flavors, aromas, and history of the wines, and answering any questions. Virtual wine tastings can also include interactive elements, such as quizzes or games, to make the experience more engaging. They can also be a great way for people who are unable to attend in-person tastings due to distance or health concerns to still participate and enjoy the experience. Wine should be stored in a cool, dark place to avoid exposure to heat and light. The ideal storage temperature is between 45 to 65 F. As for aging, some wines are meant to be consumed young, while others can benefit from aging. Fine wine will often improve with age and can be aged for years, even decades. A fun fact: the oldest known bottle of wine was found in a shipwreck. It's over 300 years old. So there you have it, a brief guide to the delicious world of wine. Remember, wine is meant to be enjoyed, so don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and find your own personal taste. Now go forth and enjoy a glass of wine. Cheers!